undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's look, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. So if you want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, I am just applying an eyeshadow base. This is concealer. This is the NYX concealer, and I always like to just apply it and then set it with some translucent powder. For my palette, I'm using my Kaleidos Lunar Lavender palette. And first shade I'm going into is the light purple shade, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease. Next up, I'm going into an angled brush and the darker purple shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this on the inner half of my crease, going a little bit higher than my natural crease to give myself a little bit more lid space. You can always apply that line with your eye open if you need a better guide on where to apply it. And then I'm just going into my small tapered brush, mixing the light purple shade and the darker purple shade together, and just going in left to right motions over top of that line to diffuse it and give us a nice gradient. Now I'm just carving my lid. I just grabbed an angled brush and some concealer, and I'm just carving the first half of my lid and then setting it in place with this compact brush with some translucent powder. Then I'm just grabbing our big fluffy brush and the first transition color that we went in with, and I'm just applying this on the outer edge and just kind of feathering it inward just to kind of give us some nice dimension. And then I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Sapphire glitter. I'm just focusing this on the very center of the crease. That's it, not going on the outer corner or the inner corner. And then I'm grabbing that angled brush once again, going into this dark brown purple shade. And we're just going to be applying a smoky winged liner, so just kind of packing that shadow onto that outer edge. And then after I applied it, I just felt like it was a little bit too soft. I kind of like how smoky and blended it looked, but I wanted to apply a eyeliner pencil. So this one is from Urban Decay in the shade Double Life. This is my favorite pencil. As you can tell, it's almost finished, but I'm just applying this as I would a liquid liner, and then I'm just going to be peeling off my tape. For my waterline, going into that same pencil and just applying that in my waterline, and then grabbing our first light purple transition color, and I'm just applying that with a smudger brush to the outer half of my lower lash line, and then going into that darkest brown shade in the palette with this flat defined brush and just hitting that outer lash line as well. And then I just grabbed my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And for our inner corner, I decided to switch it up, and I just grabbed this light metallic purple shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this on that inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!